Episode 1: Foundation, Front-End, and Orchestration. Every great AI application starts with two things: a beautiful interface that users love, and intelligent orchestration that makes it all work. Today, we're building that foundation. Hey everyone, welcome to Episode 1 of the Open Source AI Stack 2025. I'm so excited to kick off this series with you. Over the next 6 episodes, we're going to build a complete understanding of how modern AI applications work. And I mean truly complete, from the user interface all the way down to the neural networks powering it all. Today, we're starting at the top with two crucial layers: front-end frameworks and AI orchestration. These are the layers your users actually see and interact with, and the invisible coordinator that makes it all work seamlessly. We'll explore Next.js 15 with React 19, Streamlit, Gradio, and more for the front end. Then we'll dive into LangGraph, CrewAI, and AutoGen for orchestration, the tools that turn simple LLM calls into intelligent, multi-step AI agents. By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly which tools to use for your specific use case and why. Let's jump in. Layer 1, Front End. Let's start at the top with Layer 1, Front End and UI frameworks. This is where your users interact with your AI application, so getting this right is crucial. First up, Next.js 15 with React 19. This is the most popular framework for building modern web applications. With server-side rendering, API routes, and edge runtime support, Next.js gives you everything you need. The app router with React server components is a game-changer for building fast, SEO-friendly applications. Then we have SvelteKit 2 with Svelte 5. If you want lightning-fast performance with minimal bundle sizes, this is your framework. Svelte compiles to vanilla JavaScript, no virtual DOM overhead. It's truly reactive by default, and your users will notice the speed difference. And for the data scientists and ML engineers out there, Gradio is absolutely brilliant. Create beautiful web interfaces for your machine learning models with just a few lines of Python code. No HTML, CSS, or JavaScript required. You can share your demos via public links and integrate seamlessly with Hugging Face spaces. Continuing with our front-end options, let's talk about Streamlit. This is the go-to choice for turning data scripts into shareable web apps in minutes. Real-time data updates, a rich widget library, and built-in session state management make it perfect for data science applications. Reflex is fascinating. It lets you build full-stack web apps entirely in Python. It compiles to React on the front end while running Python on the back end. Type-safe components, real-time state synchronization, it's the future of Python web development. And don't sleep on Remix. This full-stack framework focuses on web standards and delivers a fast, resilient user experience. With nested routing, data loading at the route level, and progressive enhancement, it's built for the modern web. Choose based on your needs: Next.js for maximum ecosystem support, SvelteKit for raw performance, and Streamlit or Gradio if you want to stay in pure Python. Layer 2, Orchestration and AI Agents. Now we move to Layer 2, Orchestration and AI Agents. This is where the magic happens, coordinating multiple AI components to work together intelligently. LangGraph is revolutionizing how we build AI applications. It extends LangChain with graph-based workflows and cyclic execution. You can build stateful, multi-actor applications with persistent checkpointing and human-in-the-loop workflows. This means your AI agents can remember context, make decisions, and even pause for human approval. CrewAI takes a different approach with role-based agent design. Think of it like assembling a team where each AI agent has a specific role: researcher, writer, reviewer. They collaborate, delegate tasks, and work together to solve complex problems. It's incredibly intuitive to use. AutoGen from Microsoft enables multiple agents to converse with each other to solve tasks. The conversational approach, combined with code execution capabilities, makes it perfect for complex workflows where agents need to collaborate dynamically. Let's continue with more orchestration frameworks. Pydantic AI is built on top of Pydantic, bringing full type safety to agent development. If you've ever struggled with unexpected outputs from LLMs, you'll appreciate the structured output validation and async-first design. Mastra is a modern framework built with TypeScript. It focuses heavily on developer experience with built-in observability, a plugin architecture, and easy integration. If you're working in the TypeScript ecosystem, this is worth exploring. And Agno rounds out our options as a lightweight, minimalist framework. Sometimes you don't need all the bells and whistles. You just want something simple, fast, and flexible. That's Agno. The key takeaway here is that you have options. Choose LangGraph for complex workflows, CrewAI for multi-agent collaboration, or AutoGen for conversational agent systems. And that's a wrap on episode 1. We've covered front-end frameworks and orchestration tools, the foundation of any AI application. Remember, start with Streamlit for rapid prototyping, upgrade to Next.js for production. Use LangGraph when you need structured workflows, CrewAI for multi-agent collaboration. In episode 2, we're diving into the intelligence layer, embeddings and RAG. How do we actually give our AI applications knowledge and memory? I'll show you. If you enjoyed this episode, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which front-end framework you're using. See you in episode 2.